Last videos we have seen how to call different reports based on the parameters. Okay, so we can do the same thing using JavaScript also in dashboards. So for that, I am going to create one dashboard. So I'm giving like a very simple one. Then drag text here. JavaScript is there. I will paste it in. Save it. Okay. You can call it different report. Okay. Previously, what I have done, we have created a presentation variable. Using the presentation variable, we called two reports based on the parameter like this only. But what is the problem here? We could suppose we are migrating from instance to instance because we are hard coded the values. So we have to change the path. But previously we did it hard coded, so is migrated it will work. But if you migrated reports from one instance to another instance, this type of reports won't work using JavaScript because we are hard coded the values here. So it won't work. Okay. So it's better to use what I have done previously. Use that only. But so for had type of reports, we can use this. Okay. If you have any queries, please ping me on the YouTube comment section so that I can reply back.